What was invisible, sing with me, sing, shall be. What was in, shall be. Oh, it's already done.
I know you can hear music in the background as well as music in the video. This is only done in order to try and avoid copyrights.
En eintlik kan ons dit deurtrek na alle verhoudinge waarin ons leef. Maar ek begin dit met wees aan mekaar onderdanig. Voordat hy oor onderdanigheid praat, sê ons is aan mekaar onderdanig. Submit to one another. And then he is out of reverence for Christ. Ons is aan mekaar onderdanig in die huwelik, in vriendekringe, by die werk, in die kerk. Ons is onderdanig aan mekaar uit eerbied vir die Here. Uit eerbied vir Christus is ons aan mekaar onderdanig. Hy maak dit baie helder. En ons moet dit raak lees om te sien hoe hy dit dan verder beskryf. Hy gaan verder en hy sê dan jy kyk na jouself deur Christus se bril en al kan ons sê my liggaam het skeurde, ek het skeurde ook in my lewe. Kyk ek nie net met my eie bril na myself nie. Ek kyk deur Christus se bril, deur die bril van liefde. Ek kyk na myself en sê, I have dignity. I sing with Whitney Houston. They can't take away my dignity. And then Whitney sings about self-love, but we will go further than Whitney and we will say, yes, we have dignity because God loves us so much. He created us in His image. He sent His Son Jesus to die in our place. I have dignity. I have worth. Because God gave up His only begotten Son, His unique Son.
Full video link is in the bio.